If you want to get a Semrush free trial, use the link in the description right now because it's the only way to unlock the special 14-day Semrush trial instead of the regular 7 days. This is the easiest and safest method for how to get Semrush for free in 2026, and the Semrush 14-day free trial activates automatically when you use my special link. Let me show you exactly how to get the Semrush free trial step by step so you can start using this powerful SEO tool today. When you click my link in the description, you'll land directly on the Semrush sign-up page. Here's where most people make a mistake. They start entering their website or clicking around looking for trial information. Don't do that. Instead, go straight to the sign-up button at the top right corner of the page. This is the fastest way to activate your free Semrush access. Click on Sign Up and you'll see options to create your account using your email or Google. Make sure you use a real email address because Semrush will send you a verification code that you need to confirm. Once you enter the code from your inbox, Semrush will take you through a quick setup process. They'll ask a few simple questions about your role, your experience level, and what you want to use Semrush for. This only takes about 30 seconds, so just pick the options that best describe you and continue. Now here's the important part. After the setup questions, the Semrush trial options will appear. You'll see different plans like the Semrush Pro plan and the Semrush Guru plan. When you use my link in the description, both of these plans come with the same 14-day free trial instead of the standard 7 days. If you want to get the most value during your Semrush free trial 14 days, I recommend choosing the higher tier plan because it gives you access to more advanced features like historical data, extended keyword tracking, content marketing tools, and deeper competitor research capabilities. Once you select your plan, click on Get Free Trial and enter your payment information. Don't worry, you will not be charged today, and you can cancel anytime before the 14 days are up if you decide Semrush isn't for you. The moment you complete this step, you get full access to everything Semrush offers. We're talking about site audits, competitor analysis, keyword research tools, backlink audits, rank tracking, AI search visibility features, and all the premium SEO tools that professionals use every single day. This is the best method for the Semrush free trial 2026. No searching for random promo codes that don't work. No complicated workarounds. Just click my link, sign up, and you're in. My link in the description is the fastest and only verified way to get the extended Semrush 14-day free trial with full access to all features. So right now, go to the description, click my special link, and start your Semrush trial while this exclusive offer is still available. Test out all the tools, get valuable insights about your website and competitors, and see why thousands of marketers rely on Semrush every day. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get free Semrush access for 14 full days. Click the link in the description now and start your Semrush free trial today.